Welcome in, everybody. For this video, I'm going to go over how I made this Deadpool and Wolverine lamp. Deadpool 3, Deadpool and Wolverine movie came out a couple of days ago. I went and seen it the first night it showed up in theaters. It was worth the watch. I had a blast watching it. I encourage you, if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. It's a really funny movie. I'm going to show you guys how to make this lamp. It is a sublimation blank I got off of Fill in the Blanks Canada. I'll put a link to the website in the comments if you guys want to check it out. They have so many different kind of blanks to choose from, all kinds of things you can create. Definitely worth checking out. Very affordable. I've been happy with most of the blanks that I've gotten from them. I haven't had something I've gotten yet that I've been really disappointed with. Good quality blanks. They always sublimate well, so go check them out. The first thing I did was measure the lamp size so I knew what kind of canvas I was working with. Jumped into Cricut Design Space, gave myself a rectangle of the size of the lampshade that I'm going to be working with so I could adjust the image to fit in it and figure out how I wanted it to look. So after I made the rectangle, I imported the images that I wanted to work with. I had to adjust it a couple of times to make sure all of the background was out and it looked and was at a good quality that I was looking for. And then I resized everything, moved everything around until I came out with a design I was happy with. Once I was happy with the design for the lampshade, next thing would be to print out the design with a sublimation printer and sublimation ink. Make sure that you always mirror whatever you're sublimating. So mirror the image, print it out mirrored. That way it will be pressed onto your sublimation blank properly. So after I got it printed out, I cut out the images and laid them on the lampshade how I wanted them to be sublimated, taped them down with heat tape. I will put links to all of the products I use in this video in the description if you guys need any of these products. So once the image was all taped down, the next thing was to press it. I pressed the lampshade at 370 degrees for 45 seconds. I made sure I grabbed 2 pieces of parchment paper, one for underneath the sublimation blank and then one for over top. That way no sublimation ink goes onto the press or the mat underneath the sublimation blank. So after I pressed it at 370 for 45 seconds, I went and lifted up the heat press, took it out, let it cool off for a couple of seconds, and then I peeled off the paper, and this sublimated beautifully. The image came out nice and shiny and clear, not pixelated. The whole thing sublimated. There wasn't parts that sublimated better than the other. It sublimated evenly, and that's what you're always looking for in a sublimation blank. So next thing I was going to do was put batteries in the little light pod that they give you with the lampshade. They do sell them separately. Here is the prices for the lampshade and here is the prices for the lamp pod. That's the light source. It takes 3 AAA batteries. I use rechargeable ones. So I put the batteries in, turned it on, and then set the shade over top of the light source. So I was pretty impressed with the light source, and I was really impressed with how this whole thing turned out. I love it. It turned out fantastic. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the lampshade I created. What would you put on one of these lampshades? Let me know down in the comment. And if you're new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of crafting Cricut related, sublimation related content. I do all kinds of stuff. Here is a playlist for you if you want to check out some of my other content. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button for me. Let me know if you enjoyed the video or what you guys thought in the comments below. Leave a comment. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Happy crafting.